Good morning, folks. My name is Nolan Regan, and today we're going to be going over using the Remark function within your Pro 1200 display. All right, folks, once our display is booted up, we're going to come over to our map section, click on that. If you don't already, go ahead and hit in here and select a straight swath. Next, we'll head to the tractor icon underneath the traffic cone. We'll hit the drop-down menu and click on Remark. We can then select if we want to remark this swath left or right. I'm going to hit right, and I'm going to go ahead and remark this swath half a foot to the right and hit apply. This will then overwrite our current swath. We'll hit apply. And that will then permanently remark our straight swath half a foot to the right. Utilization of the remark function is ideal for when the entire field's guidance lines need shifted left or right to deal with alignment issues that may be encountered while operating. Alrighty, folks, you have now learned how to use the remark function within your Pro 1200 display. For more information over the Pro 1200 display, please feel free to reach out to your local Birkey's farm store to speak to your precision farming specialist.